Hey there, folks. We've got Secret, which is a 7-month-old Dutch Shepherd out here today. We've got an agitator standing by. Got Secret here doing a nice little sit until she gets activated. And after that, it's all work.
That's it, good girl.
Again, she's 7 months of age, barely through teething. Takes her a little second to get barking here, but she does have a pretty decent little bark when she gets into it. Nice. One of the things I like about her is she takes a grip and really kind of commits to it. Nice. Walk her in a small circle, Em.
Good girl.
Here we go.
Good girl. That's it. Good. Good girl. That's it. Good girl. Good. Good girl.
Got a very nice grip right there.
Good girl.
Good.
That's it, good girl. You cute him.
And true to the Dutch Shepherd's characteristics, see, very confident, very forward into the leash, pulling very hard, tail's wagging, ears are attentive. Nothing out of character for this young lady. Certainly not fazed by any whip interaction. We've done a lot of homework with environmental desensitizing. I've had her through ball pits, had her chasing the flirt pole, through all sorts of stuff. So she's been exposed to quite a bit. Shaker jugs, you name it.
That's it, good girl.
We got Chris coming in here with a bicep there. There we go. Good. I'll kind of wrap it up there, but that's Secret. Again, 7-month-old Dutch Shepherd being developed here at the Iron Canine. Hope you guys enjoyed.